remote group of islands in Indonesia lives one of the most extraordinary predators on Earth. A creature that looks like it came from another age. A reptile so powerful and mysterious that many people call it the last dragon on Earth. This is the Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon is the largest living lizard in the world. An adult can grow up to 3 meters long and weigh more than 70 kilograms. These massive reptiles live on only a few islands in Indonesia, mainly within the protected area of Komodo National Park, including islands such as Komodo Island and Rinca Island. Here, the Komodo dragon sits at the top of the food chain. With its muscular body, armored scales, and long, forked tongue, the Komodo dragon looks like a creature from the prehistoric world. But what truly makes this animal fascinating is the way it hunts. Unlike many predators that rely on speed and long chases, Komodo dragons are patient hunters. They often wait silently along animal trails or hide among tall grass and bushes. And when the moment is right, they strike with incredible speed. A Komodo dragon's bite is powerful, but the real danger lies in what happens after the bite. Inside the Komodo's mouth are venom glands that release toxins into the wound. These toxins can prevent blood from clotting and cause a rapid drop in blood pressure. Instead of chasing its prey immediately, the Komodo dragon often allows the animal to escape. Then it simply follows, slowly and patiently. The injured animal grows weaker and weaker as blood loss and shock take their toll. Sometimes it may take hours, sometimes even days, but eventually the prey collapses, and the Komodo dragon returns to claim its meal. The Komodo dragon is an opportunistic feeder. Its diet includes deer, wild pigs, water buffalo, and sometimes even carrion. When feeding, a Komodo dragon can consume an enormous amount of meat in a single sitting, sometimes up to 80% of its own body weight. After such a feast, the dragon may not need to eat again for several weeks. But hunting and feeding are only part of the Komodo dragon's daily life. In the early morning, these reptiles often bask under the sun. Because they are cold-blooded animals, sunlight helps them regulate their body temperature and remain active. As the heat of the day intensifies, Komodo dragons usually retreat into shade or rest inside burrows they dig in the ground. One of their most remarkable abilities is their sense of smell. Using their long, forked tongues, Komodo dragons can detect the scent of carrion or injured animals from several kilometers away. Each flick of the tongue collects tiny scent particles from the air and delivers them to a specialized sensory organ in the roof of their mouth. This incredible ability allows the Komodo dragon to locate food across vast distances. Despite their strength and fearsome reputation, Komodo dragons are actually quite vulnerable as a species. Their entire population in the wild is estimated to be only a few thousand individuals. Because of this, their habitat is carefully protected, particularly within Komodo National Park, which has been recognized as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Protecting these islands means protecting one of the most unique creatures on our planet. A reptile that has survived for millions of years. A silent predator ruling the dry savannas and forests of Indonesia's remote islands. Ancient, powerful, and perfectly adapted to its world. The Komodo dragon, the last dragon of our modern age.